Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing a software which is StreamOut. This is a brand new software released by Mario Brown. Now you are thinking what is StreamOut? So StreamOut is literally the most awesome live streaming platform for live event on social media with lots of never seen before features. So if you are interested in this software or want to know more about this, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end because I have lots of premium bonuses and today I am giving my premium bonuses for free of cost to those people who are going to buy this software with my link which is given in the description. So first I want to show you my bonuses, then we talk about this software and its features. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you come here on my bonus page. As you can see my insane bonus bundle. When you scroll down, you can see here is the image of the software and some information was given about this software. You can read this guys and also mention the prices, but we talk later about the prices guys. First I want to show you some key benefits of this software and I'm going to read this for you guys. So the first key benefit of this software is guys 100% cloud based with nothing to download plus mega fast. So guys, this is a cloud based software and you do not need to download anything and it is very fast guys. And the second one is guys stream to multiple platforms simultaneously. So guys, with this software you can stream with multiple platforms. And the third key benefits guys, SMS reminders, WhatsApp reminders, email follow-up and more. So guys, we know that outside in the world there are lots of streaming platforms but they do not provide these facilities like SMS reminders, WhatsApp and others. But this software are providing all these features. I think it's good guys. Another one is play pre-recorded videos and share your screen or camera. So guys, with this software you can also record your video and show the people after the recording and also share your screen or camera. And the other one is like lead generation, built-in commenting and more conversion features. So guys, with this software you can also generate leads and live commenting and also conversion features this software is giving you guys and many more. So I think guys, normally we see outside the live stream platform they do not have these features. So I think this is good software. And when you scroll more guys, you can see here is a demo video of this software. You can also watch this. And now it's time to know about my bonuses guys. So my first bonus is webinar mastery home study course and its value is guys $649. So guys, it's help you to learn that how you can use this platform for your work or how you can easily understand this software about this software guys. And the second one my bonus is guys, which is auto webinar profits and its price is guys $349. So guys, this is a software will help you how you can convert auto recorded videos into webinars and people can see you after you make your video. And the third one is guys how to build a WordPress site and its value is $499. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can build your own website with the help of WordPress. And the fourth bonus is guys how to make a Squarespace page and its value is $299. So guys, with this bonus you can learn how you can make a convertible squeeze pages and also attracting squeeze pages. And the last bonus is guys, it is a special bonus and its value is $6,999. So guys, this is a bonus provided by you by the vendors. I'm also showing you the vendors bonus guys. So when you can see These all bonuses are given by the vendors, guys. So when you buy this software, get all these software and all these bonuses for free of cost, guys. So don't forget also my bonuses, guys. These bonuses are very valuable, guys. So if you are thinking to buy this software or going to buy this software, then click the link given in the description. You can come here on my bonus page and you have to click one of these yellow buttons. You can see when you click this button, you come here on the sales page of this software. So guys, you can see we come here on the sales page of this software. Here is a demo video of this software and some benefits about this software. Here you can see, guys, there is a button which is click here to get instant access. When you click this, you are going to buy this software and pay the amount, and this software is yours, guys. Now you are thinking that how you can get my bonuses and the vendor bonuses, guys. So when you buy this software, when you go to your dashboard, you can find the bonuses. You can get your vendors bonuses there, and for my bonuses you have to go to your Warrior Plus account dashboard and find the purchase history. And when you go to the purchase history, you have to select the product name, which is StreamOut, and after you select the product's name, you can see the interface looks like that. And here is a button which is Access Affiliate Bonus. When you click this button, you can directly download my all bonuses, guys, for free of cost. For those bonuses, you don't have to pay a single cent, guys. So guys, I showed you my all premium bonuses, which was I'm going to give you for free. So now it's time to know about the StreamOut and its features. So I'm going to play a demo video of this software, which is made by the creator of this software, who is Mario Brown. So watch this video to learn that how this software works and what are the features you are getting in the dashboard of this software. Okay guys, let's go.
Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of our brand new video builder, Video Freedom. Specifically, we made this for freelancers, agencies, and video marketers, right? Now, first thing I want to tell you, each of the 4 video styles that you can create with this, these are handpicked, okay? Because they're proven to sell the most, and they're proven to receive the highest revenue from clients for these 4 types, right? So we have logo right here, the logos that you can create, and immediately you can sell them on Fiverr or other freelance sites. Explainer videos, people are paying big money for explainer videos, right? And we have an amazing library here of explainer videos that you can easily edit in just 3 steps. We have promo videos right here. So these are really cool. You can create them for local businesses, electrician, pest control, any type of niche that you can think of. And then also slideshow videos are proven to receive high payments from clients to create slideshow videos, for example, right? So you can pick any 4 of them. This is the software dashboard right here. If I go back here, for example, to the logo, if you want to preview any of these, you can just hover over them. And now you can see here that it's previewing this actual logo animation, right? And if you like it and you want to sell this logo on Fiverr, for example, or any of the other logos right here, you can just click on the video. Okay, I'm going to pause this here, and then all I have to do is click here on create video, and super easy. It's going to bring up this dashboard right here, and all I have to do is I can click here on media, and I can use an image from my video library. I can also choose one of the hundreds and hundreds of royalty-free images from Pixabay, or here, for example, from Unsplash, and then I can go here also and browse from my computer, right? But in this case, because it's an actual logo, I'm just going to go with the logo that I have ready here. And then it's going to ask me for a second logo in this case. I'm going to go with this one. I can also crop the logo if I want to. I'm just going to choose it here. And then as you can see here, it's just 3 simple steps: edit, music, and finish. So I'm going to click here on next right now. I'm going to bring me here to the music, and I can play the music right here. And let's say I like this song, I can just select the song right here, click here on next, and then I can just start rendering right here. And just like that, in 3 simple steps, you have your video ready. It takes about 60 to 90 seconds to render the video, and you're gonna be good to go, right? And this was just the logo. You can now sell this logo literally on Fiverr or any freelance site, right? But if you check out the explainer video right here, you can see here we have beautiful templates for explainer videos, people paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars for explainer videos. Here's an example about vaccination. Maybe you wanna help help a business that wants to show their clients that the whole staff is vaccinated. So we have an explainer video for that. And if you like this, okay, if you want to do this for a client, you can click on this and you can check out the preview here, of course, but then I can click here on create video and it's just as simple. Okay, so if you want to change the text, you know, your text here, and then I can also change, of course, the title right here. And I can click on this and, you know, I can just change the text and then I can go to the next slide right here. This is the second slide. I can change the text right here. I go to the third slide and then here I can actually customize this for my client. I can add their logo. Okay, and I can also add another text right here. And once you're happy with your slides, you just click here on next. You can also customize the colors of each slide. You can upload your custom colors right here. And then I can click here on next again. Then of course you pick a track, an audio track that you like. I click here on next. And just like that, all I have to do right now is start rendering and I am good to go. And I just created a beautiful logo that I can sell and a beautiful explainer video literally in minutes. And I can sell them for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Or to prospects, to clients on freelance sites, right? If I go back here to the main dashboard and I click here on projects, this is where you will find the videos that you rendered. So here's a video that a logo, for example, that I rendered. You know, if you want to check it out, you can see right here with a building in the background. This is a logo example. And then I can scroll down here. There's another slideshow video right here that I did with our software. Check it out. So you could do this for coaches and consultants, personal trainers, any business that you can imagine. You can download the video right now here. So if you charge your client, you can download for them. You can upload it to their YouTube. You can just send it to them via Dropbox. You can even share it here immediately also with this button right here. Everything is very easy to use. It's just 3 simple steps. And you can see other videos here that we created with this actual software, right? If I go back here to home screen, and let's just go here to the promo videos. These are animated videos, and this is an electrician example. So let's check out this video real quick together. Check out how cool the animations are, right? This is a 14-second video, so we always show you the duration here as well. And if I like that video, I can now go ahead and create. And now I can customize this video. If you don't want to do this for an electrician, but your client is a pest control company, you can now click on this image right here and you can upload a royalty-free pest control image, or you can have your client provide you with an image and upload it right here, and it's going to show their image right here. You can obviously customize the text right here, and then you click here on next, and then the second one, you also just upload a pest control related image right here, or maybe you work with a chiropractor, or any niche that you can think of, and then here you can also upload their logo if you want to, or a call to action for this company as well. And then here, if you look at the steps again, you just customize the color, the music, you finish, you render it, and just like that, you're good to go. So as you can see, as soon as you as soon as you log into Video Freedom, you have 4 different video slides that you can create. You can immediately sell them because you're going to get the commercial license included in this launch special that we're doing right now. And the best part is that it renders super fast and you can sell them immediately on any site you like, freelance sites, Fiverr.com. You can work with prospects, you can work with CrossFit gyms, plastic surgeons, whatever niche you pick, they need video, right? Think about video SEO, think about Instagram video ads, Facebook video ads, think about YouTube video ads, okay? Think about social media posts, think about video SEO. It's super easy to use. It's just 3 simple steps. And I'm super, super pumped, as you can tell, to present this to you, right? So go ahead right now, check out the rest of the page, check out the examples that we uploaded for you, check out the pricing options that we have for you. There's hundreds and hundreds of templates available for you here, depending on which package you choose. And all I can say is thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see you inside the software dashboard. Talk soon.
So guys, now it's time to know about the prices of StreamOut. So the front end price of StreamOut is $97 and the down sale is $47. And OTO 1, which is StreamOut Platinum, its price is $97. And OTO 2, which is StreamOut Commerce, it is for $147. And OTO 3, which is StreamOut Reseller, its price is $197, but down sale is $297. And OTO 4, which is StreamOut Done For You, and its value is $97. So guys, I told you everything about this software. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and also comment down below and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.